Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Now, as winter approaches and the temperature starts to drop, the need for a reliable heating solution slowly becomes a reality and thus a top priority. That is why today we are checking out the Sunkos Sunshine Electric Heater. It is an innovative in design, efficiently providing instant heat, super quiet with zero noise, space saving, and it is the world's first carbon nanofilm heater with infrared heating technology. Now the heater measures in at 26 inches by 22 inches by 2 inches and weighs in at just 7 pounds. It has 1500 watts of power output and the input voltage is 110 volts. The cable length is 6 feet. So we have the super flat panel heating element with metal borders, the carry handle made out of leather, and we have the front ceramic flexible fiber mesh surface, which is scald proof. We have the rear surface with the flame retardant material so the heat does not radiate out from the rear for safety. It has 4 thermal overload sensors to prevent overheating, and we have the 2 push-in metal legs. Now don't worry, it also has automatic shut-off with tilt protection built right in. And here we have the touch screen display. We have the on and off button, the mode button to change from space heat mode to focus heat mode. Now the space heat mode has 3 preset temperature settings, P3, P2, and P1. P3 being the highest setting, P2 being the medium, and the P1 being the low setting. Now in the focus heat mode or the eco-friendly heat mode, you are able to set the temperature manually from 60 degrees to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. It is capable of heating large rooms up to 300 square feet, creating a 2-meter squared thermostatic space for an even heat distribution. So you can control the heater via the built-in modern touchscreen interface. But you can also use the remote controller that is also provided. Or a user-friendly app called the Smart Life app, a free downloadable app in the App Store. Now, I already have this app from other devices and it was simple to add the heater. Now the remote controller and the smartphone app also allows you to child lock the touch screen interface, giving you an additional peace of mind. You can also set an hourly timer and turn off the brighter display with the sleep mode button. You can link the Smart Life app to Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant to control the heater with voice commands. Alexa, turn off the heater.
Okay.
Okay, Google, turn on the heater.
Sure, turning the Sunkos heater SK-E1 on.
Now the Sunkos portable electric heater is an innovative heater that combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly design that uses carbon nano heating film that takes just 3 seconds to heat up from 0 degrees to a toasty 90 degree Fahrenheit. It uses advanced far infrared technology, delivering not only surface warmth, but deep internal comfort, similar to the soothing warmth of sunshine on a cold day, without over-drying your skin. And its minimalistic design not only blends seamlessly with your interior decor or office suite, but takes up very little amount of space due to its thin design. The heater operates without a fan or any illumination. That means you will get a peaceful night's sleep without the glare of a heater and absolutely zero noise. And because there are no moving parts like a fan, there is zero circulation of air and dust, and therefore zero allergens or bacteria flying around, promoting a healthier, cleaner living space. This makes it an ideal choice for bedrooms and a top pick for a quiet and pet-friendly household. So the Sunkos portable electric space heater combines cutting-edge technology, safety, and convenience. It offers fast and deep warmth while remaining lightweight and super quiet. So if you want to find out more info or place an order for yourself, the product link is down below in the video description. So I thank you so much for tuning in and watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you again next time. Okay, Google, turn on the heater.
Sure, turning the Sunkos heater SK-E1 on.
Alexa, turn off the heater.